Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to talk about the most controversial skincare brand that took the entire YouTube on a ride when it first started releasing its advertisements everywhere on social platforms. So by the title you have already discovered what the product is. So without any further intro, let's jump right into the review. So I just decided to share my views over the product before I jump into the review and everything else. So the first thing I'm going to start with is my skin type and its variations. Now each and every skin reacts to a specific product differently. I completely agree, if something works for me might not work for you and vice versa. So before you start bombarding me with comments like this is sponsored, they paid you, they bought you, etc., etc., I would like to share the truth that yes, they have sent me the products and asked me to review it, where they never ever forced me to say good things about the particular product. In fact, they were really patient with me and the present social situation, if that word properly describes COVID-19 and its consequences we are facing for it, and they never forced me to upload a video in a week right after I received the products. I took my own 2 months of time to use and experience everything I could from the product so that my reviews are 100% unbiased. And the most important disclaimer is this video is neither paid nor sponsored. So now coming back to my own views over the product, to my surprise, this product, the ultimate customized skincare brand, actually worked for me, but not in the exact mentioned time by the brand. It claimed 30 days would be enough, but it actually healed my skin in 30 days, and to recover properly, to show up visible results, it took 60 days. And I'm completely okay with it, because you have to understand one thing: your skin repairs according to its own elasticity, according to its own cell repairing time length. So no matter what any skincare brand claims about the time limit for repairing your skin, no matter how expensive the brand is, it still depends on your skin's own time length of repairing. Also, it depends on few other factors like your water intake and your diet, etc. So if you are using something or ever trying this brand out and you see it didn't work in 30 days, I would suggest don't give up. Have patience, continue using it. It might show up its results in future, because no matter what we do, no matter how expensive the brand we try, your skin won't repair overnight or fortnight. Now coming to the brand and the products they sent me. So first they approached me. I had to fill up a form regarding my skin issues, which was dark spots. Yes, the only issue I have on my skin is dark spots. I get pimples. I have an oily combination skin in summer, so I get pimples and they disappear too. Sometimes I get hormonal breakouts as well, but all of them, when disappears, leaves ugly spots, which is my headache, because no matter what I do, they just don't disappear. So they customized products according to my skin issues and sent me over a lovely box. The color is so pretty, and I used it for 2 months as I mentioned earlier, and I would say this didn't act miracle upon my skin, but it actually worked. My spots started fading, it lightened, some tiny spots also disappeared. Now coming to the brand, this brand Skincraft prepares products analyzing your own skin. So basically these products are customized according to your particular skin type and targets your problem or problematic areas on your skin and treats from its core. All of these products are dermatologically tested, and all the ingredients used in these products are of supreme quality, and hence the price. It doesn't harm your skin, in fact, it benefits and actually works. And these products are manufactured after a lot of research works, and hence the results are so amazing. So this is how I used these products so far. So that's all for today, and if you have already made it till here, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. My Instagram handle would be mentioned down in the description box along with the other necessary informations. See you soon with another video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.